Children, have you ever made any design using fraction? Today I am going to do that. Watch it. First of all, take these type of 4 colorful circles. You can choose any color. Take the first circle and fold it to its half. Take the second paper and fold it to its quarter. Quarter means 1 by 4. Take the third circle and fold it in such a way that each part is equals to 1 by 8 of the circle. Open the circle and count. There it will be total 8 parts. So each part is 1 by 8. Finally, take the last paper and fold it to 1/16. Open the circle. Each part will represent 1 by 16 of the whole circle. So, through paper folding, you will get these fractions. Using a pair of scissors, cut them. Here they are. Now, using these fractional pieces, I'll make a peacock. Watch it. So, these pieces, some are 1 by 2, some are 1 by 4. Here it is 1 by 8. This 1 by 16 I'll use to make crest feather. Other pieces I'll use to make beautiful feathers of the peacock. So, using 1 by 8 and 1 by 16 of the circle, let's complete the feathers. And finally, the legs. And here is the peacock. Isn't it beautiful? Here, can you guess what I am making? Think. Yes, it's a tortoise. And these fractions are used to create it. Next one is an insect. Guess it? This is the middle part. And these are the wings. Yes, it is a butterfly. Now, it's your turn to create few more designs with fraction.